Hello friends, Bogdan is with you. Today I will tell you about the entry point, how to open positions with the best entry points and take just a huge profit. So let me tell you about specific entry points. Most people use classic setups, namely Slom, Smart Money, etc., but it does not work because it is not effective. True turnovers occur only when the price makes a genuine chuch, creates liquidity, that is a stimulus for the price. In the future the price removes it, encouraging people to buy, but in the end it goes down. And it is very important to rely on the true context and the direction of the price, where it wants to go. Let's take a look at the real graph. Let's start with this particular turnover. We see that the price moved up, it removed the inducement here and went up, confirmed these points, removed the inducement here, but this is a chuch. It removes the inducement in the opposite direction, touches this block, thereby making a buy, and as you can see, people are trying to buy here because they see the slum of this pig, but in the future the price goes down. Next, we see the removal of a new inducement in this place, the beginning of the formation of a secondary rising movement. The price removes all this liquidity and makes a sweep of this high. On a smaller time frame, in this situation, there was a turnover setup, namely a chuch, a removal of an inducement and a sale. We see that the price here made such a formation. We had a chuch, a removal of an inducement, we had a buy and a sale. The price made an update of this minimum and confirmed the maximum here. That's how it all works, friends. Thank you all for watching. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so as not to miss new videos. Put a bell so that you are notified of new videos. Thank you all and bye.